Last time we will study the life cycle of nostoc. In that nostoc we will already study the classification of nostoc. Then we will study their occurrence or habitat of this nostoc. Then we will study the vegetative structure of a filament or morphological structure of the nostoc filaments. Then also studied the ultramicroscopic structure of the nostoc cells. And then now we will study the structure of a heterocyst and reproduction. आपण पाठीमागच्या वेळेला नॉस्टॉकचे फिलामेंट स्टडी केले. त्या नॉस्टॉकच्या फिलामेंट मध्ये ज्या एनलार्ज सेल असतात, ज्या मोठ्या सेल असतात, त्या मोठ्या सेलला आपण काय म्हणतो? हेटेरोसिस्ट. When we will observe this heterocyst under the high power or magnified light microscope or under the electron microscope, then the detailed structure of a heterocyst may be observed. In that nostoc cell we will study that the normal vegetative cell as well as enlarged heterocyst is formed. But how do heterocyst may be developed within that nostoc filaments? The nostoc filament is an unbranched and specialized enlarged cells may be observed in that filament. These enlarged cells may be developed from the vegetative cell of this nostoc filament. But how they are developed? Within the growth period or during the vegetative growth or during the growth of the filament, any daughter cell of this nostoc filament may be enlarged or increased in their size due to absorption of a large quantity of food material. When they expand their size, they may be ultimately the end wall of this cell, daughter cell, may be round in shape. त्याच्या ज्या एंड वॉल असतात त्या राउंड होतात. मध्ये व्हेजिटेटिव्ह सेल होती, त्याची साईज लहान होती, त्यामुळे तिथं गर्दी नव्हती. पण मधलीच जर एखादी व्हेजिटेटिव्ह सेल आपोआप जर वाढायला लागली तर बाजूला असणाऱ्या व्हेजिटेटिव्ह सेलवरती काय येणार आहे? त्याचं प्रेशर येणार. When these vegetative cell may be increased in their size, the end wall of this daughter cell may be increased and the central portion or inner wall of these enlarged cells may be deeper inside. They may be penetrated deep in their structure. This structure is called as protoplasmic nodule. Through these protoplasmic nodules is developed the small pore-like structure at their end wall. त्याच्या एंड वॉलला बारीक असं छिद्र एक पडलेले असतं. काही वेळेला दोन्ही बाजूला ते छिद्र पडलेलं असतं, काही बाजूला एकाच बाजूला छिद्र पडलं. This pore is called as a protoplasmic pore. This protoplasmic pore play an important role is a translocation of a protoplasm from vegetative cell to the heterocyst and heterocyst to the vegetative cell. In this way, the enlarged cells may be formed. Within that enlarged cell, the pale yellowish colored viscous fibrous protoplasmic material may be present. And this heterocyst is play an important role in throughout the life cycle of these heterocyst nostoc filaments. Some scientists considered that the heterocyst play an important role in reproduction, or it is act as a sporangial material. Spore म्हणून ते काम करतं. After the formation of this spore, they may be detached from this filament and then under favorable condition germinate to develop the new filament. Some scientists says that the heterocyst is nothing but a storehouse of food material. The high quantity of food material may be contained within that heterocyst, and this food material may be utilized other vegetative cell during the growth periods. The British scientist says that this heterocyst in a growing period stimulate the cell division process or increase the new cells in the filaments, because this heterocyst may be secreted some hormonal substances or growth regulating substances, and these growth regulating substances may be stimulated for the cell division process and ultimately increase in the cell number or increase the filament length or increase the new cells in the trichome or filaments. And some scientists say that the heterocyst is play an important role in nitrogen fixation. काही सायंटिस्टच्या मते की हेटेरोसिस हे महत्त्वाचं काय आहे तर ते हवेमधला नायट्रोजिनस कंपाउंड मध्ये काय करतं फिक्स करतं. इन दिस वे द नंबर ऑफ सायंटिस्ट मे बी shows that the different roles of the heterocysts in throughout the life cycle of this nostoc plant. हे झालं हेटेरोसिसचं स्ट्रक्चर. तुम्हाला शॉर्ट नोट मध्ये विचारले जाईल, राईट द शॉर्ट नोट ऑन हेटेरोसिस्ट ऑफ अ नॉस्टॉक किंवा फक्त हेटेरोसिस्ट म्हटलं जाईल. तर एवढं तुम्हाला याची फिगर काढून हे त्याचं डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर काय करावं लागेल एक्सप्लेन करावं लागेल. Okay, then we will study the next one, the reproduction. In the reproduction, we will study that the three types of reproduction may be observed in any living organisms. In that nostoc plant, which three different types of reproductions may be observed? Nothing or all these three types of reproduction may be observed in throughout the life cycle of nostoc. कुठले reproduction आहे? The first one is a vegetative reproduction, the second one is asexual reproduction, and third one is a sexual reproduction. In that three types of reproduction types, the only vegetative reproduction or asexual reproduction may be observed in a nostoc plant. The sexual reproduction is totally absent. Why? Because within the nostoc cell, the definite nucleus is absent. What is meant by definite nucleus? The nucleus material bounded by this nuclear membrane. Then it is called as a definite nucleus or a true nucleus. But in that filament, this true nucleus is absent. Nuclear membrane is totally absent. This cell shows the prokaryotic in nature. Due to prokaryotic cells, the sexual reproduction can't be observed in throughout the life cycle of a nostoc plant. Means only the vegetative reproduction may be observed in nostoc. This vegetative reproduction may be taken place by three different methods. The first one is fragmentation. The second one is harmogonia. The third one is akainite. And fourth one is heterocyst. By the process of fragmentation, they may be vegetatively reproduces. By the formation of harmogonia, they may be reproduces. By the formation of akainites, they may be reproduces. And by the heterocyst, they may be reproduces. That is, only the vegetative or asexual reproduction may be observed in throughout the life cycle of nostoc. During this fragmentation procedure, we will observe last time in the nostoc colony, the number of nostoc threads may be observed. असे nostoc चे threads आपण पाहिले. These nostoc threads under unfavorable condition or in a drought condition, these elongated nostoc threads may be broken down by the number of small pieces. For example, this is a long or elongated nostoc filament. This nostoc filament may be broken down into number of small piece or a small fragment. These fragments having 3 or more vegetative cells. These vegetative cells under favorable condition divide or by the cell division process to develop again a new filament of the nostoc. In this way, by fragmentation, the nostoc may be reproduced by the new filament. Then second one, we will study by the harmogonia. The same procedure may be observed. In that harmogonia, during the heterocyst development, the heterocyst may be degenerate and the number of small trichomes may be formed, and these trichomes comes out from this mucilaginous substance. In that trichome, each trichome or each filament in that mucilaginous substance is called as the harmogonia. This harmogonia, by the cell division process, develop the new filament of the nostoc. Then fourth one is akainite formations. During the akainite formation मध्ये काय होत असतं? During this akainite formation, for example, this is the nostoc filament having the heterocyst as well as this another number of vegetative cells in an unfavorable condition or in a drought condition. Some vegetative cells may be absorb the large quantity of food material and forming the thick wall around itself. These thick-walled enlarged cells. आता enlarged का झाली? हळूहळू काय झालं? ड्रॉट कंडिशन आली. आता जगायचं कसं? मग काही सेल ह्यातल्या हुशार असतात. त्या सेल काय करतात? Some vegetative cell absorb the large quantity of food material. This and increase in their only size and forming the thick wall around itself. These cells are called as akainite. Akainite is nothing but the resting cells of the filament. Rest घेतात, भरपूर फूड मटेरियल शोषून घेतात, ठेवतात आणि निवांत झोपतात. When this in a drought condition, another cells may be killed or they may be degenerate, and only the akainites may be remain within that soil particle. They having the high dormancy or high dormancy period त्याच्यामध्ये असतो. 2 to 3 years they may be viable up to in the soil, and after return favorable condition, this akainite may be germinate and develop the new filament of nostoc. आणि नवीन नास्टॉकचं फिलामेंट काय करते तयार करते. इन दिस वे बाय द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अकायनाइड्स they may be reproducing. And last one, by this heterocyst germination, this heterocyst during this growth period, the heterocyst, for example, this is the single